All right, so 9 months ago, Jasmine looked like this. It doesn't really feel like it's been 9 months since this thing was a giant gray blob. Time's gone super quick and it looks 10 times better than it used to, and I'm stoked about it. And now that I've been telling you guys, once we put the wheels on, it's kind of like nearing completion of phase 2. There's a couple of things I still want to do to it, and I think I want to make a little like price list video for you guys, because I told you guys I was going to go over the price. I was going to keep track of everything when I did it. But before anything, I'm sure you guys have noticed, I finally busted out the Jasmine hoodies. So obviously these aren't a direct color match to the car, especially right now. Like the camera makes it a little bit more orange, I think. Sun setting, it's a little bit darker. The tones are making it look a little bit more orange. Trust me, it's a nice yellow hoodie to celebrate Jasmine and how Jasmine looked. And these are gonna be going live November 10th. So we have an extremely limited quantity of these guys for November 10th drop. If you guys miss it, there will be another drop on December 1st. I wanna get one going right before Christmas. That way everybody has enough time to get their stuff by Christmas. So this one's gonna be very light. And then the December one's gonna be a super heavy drop. So make sure you guys don't miss those next two. Mark your calendars. Anyways, the last 9 months, we have taken this thing from the Wish budget build to what it looks like right now. Aside from a couple little mods, I'm gonna go ahead and say Jasmine's kind of done phase 2. So with that, I'm gonna show you guys the last 9 months in the next 9 minutes. Pour some down and show what happens. Got 23 cents worth of gas, whether that accumulated to actually gas. There you go, look, see how it instantly changes colors? Yeah, man, you can see the whole car's progress from up here. Don't light up. Ripped this off of an Acura, and I can just hold it right up to here, and it's the exact same. And yes, I said pulse, but I meant to say bolt. Ooh! Ooh! 3, 2, 1. What? Oh, there it is! It's definitely a good first step in bringing it back to Civ. Oh yeah, baby! Woo! Oh, whoa! Go back down! Go back down! Oil pressure. I just see wires coming out of nowhere. There it is, baby. So this is a B18 V1. I know it's a more common swap, but there's a good reason we did this for our first swaps. We picked up an LS transmission out of an old Acura. So these are supposed to be, for the B18s, these are supposedly one of the best motors for boost because of the gearing. It looks like it'll be sick if it actually looks like the can. Dude, that is so sick. Imagine that in like the summer when the sun is just like, such a nice unbox, dude. It's like opening a pizza for me. Sort of hit and miss feelings about this so far. Yes, dude, that looks so good. So I bought all this so we can relocate the battery. This is just like 2 gauge wire or something, 1 gauge. This is 1 gauge wire so we can put the battery in the trunk, the wiring harness from the motor, and like shove it in here on both ends, and then do all the wiring in the car. That's my favorite part, dude, the fuse box being in there. Trying so hard, dude. It's trying so hard. Oh no, we're leaking oil. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! That sounds better. That sounds gasket's vibrating above, just sitting here. But damn, man, of course this is what's happening. These bolts right here, come back here, if the head broke right off it. And I don't know about you, I'd say that's an upgrade. The only way I could think of fixing the fact that this is bulging would be to cut like a triangle out and then just resurface it. And here we have the 10 color digital gauge series. We have some sulfur yellow. That is the color the Civic is gonna be. A lot of you guys have seen this. I leaked it a bunch of times. Yo, that is so bright. There's the sun, you guys can see it better actually. So these are the Oddhorn AH01s.
Trying to make y'all comfortable. That's right. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. That's right. For the record, lab on me going all the way. All the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. Stop. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record.
Dude, that's absolutely crazy. Like, I actually can't believe that much happened in 9 months. I haven't even owned this car for like 2 years, and it's already been through 2 phases. I don't know, that's crazy to me, and I'm super stoked with how it looks now. I'm very happy with it. It has a minor tuning issue that's come about where we need to just go get it retuned, that's it. Then there's a couple little mods here and there that I want to fix, but like, this is what we've built in the last 9 months. I'm stoked. It looks way better than I thought. It was a huge pain in the ass. It definitely is the motto for like staying committed, definitely applies to this thing, because I almost quit on this car so many times when like we went through like 3 different body kits and like everything was just sucking at one point. You just keep going, and now we have this thing. It looks unreal. So I'm very interested to find out what we spent on this car. Like I want to know how much money I spent to get it to this point, and I'm sure you guys would be interested in that also, because I know that you guys were really interested when I did the budget build. So let me know if you guys want to see that. So thank you to everybody, all the sponsors that have helped us get here. Thanks to everybody for watching the videos and giving me the chance to actually do this. This is nuts, and I want to keep it like this for now. I want to drive it, appreciate it, and I want to just continue to build other cars, because this thing has never really been driven. It's always just been in a building process, and I'm kind of bored of that. So this is what I'm going to be driving for now. Thank you guys for making it happen. I love you guys. I will catch you guys next time. Don't miss the drop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.